Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up emergency contacts on TikTok, follow this quick guide to designate trusted individuals who can be notified during safety or account-related emergencies. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Step 3. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 4. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Step 6. Look for Safety or Emergency settings within the Privacy section. This feature may be under Who Can Options. Step 7. Select Emergency Contacts or Trusted Contacts if available in your version of TikTok. Step 8. Tap Add Contact and select contacts from your phone's contact list who you want to designate as emergency contacts. Step 9. Confirm your selections and review any permissions required for TikTok to contact these individuals in case of an emergency. Step 10. Save your settings and exit. Your emergency contacts are now configured and can be reached if TikTok's safety features detect concerning activity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.